Hello guys, magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ito naman po ang kaibigan niyo si Jake. Kamusta na po kayo? Pasensya na po kayo, hindi po ako nakagawa ng video for the last almost 2 days po. Medyo busy po ako, no? So, sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Ano bang topic natin for today? Topic natin for today ay failure is a part of life. Bilang tao guys, we encounter different kinds of cycles, no, ng ating buhay. Masaya, malungkot, tagumpay at kabiguan. Pero alam nyo, mas marami pa yata ang kabiguan na na-encounter natin kaysa tagumpay. That's very normal along the way. Bakit po? Una-una guys, hindi natin hawak ang nangyayari sa ating buhay. Hindi natin alam kung ano mangyayari bukas or sa future. Hindi natin lahat na gusto sa buhay ay makakamit natin. I would like to share something, no, about my life. I will not go in a specific details kasi tapos na yon. When I was working in a company in Manila, and then I decided to resign for so many reasons. I find myself in the situation that is very, very hard because I have a family to feed and then I don't have regular source of income. Mahirap guys, no? I try to find work but it seems, no, hindi ako makahanap ng magandang trabaho during that time. Submit application, etc. Parang feeling ko parang nahihirapan talaga ako. At saka kung wala siguro ang aking mother during the time, she's still alive, and then my sister that is living abroad, siguro nalugmok kami sa utang, no? Maraming trials along the way. Gusto ko mag-apply ganito pero hindi ako matanggap, or basta hindi mo lang talaga ma-feel na sinaswerte ka, no? Okay lang na kung ako lang, kaso may 2 anak ako. Isa pa dyan is having panganay kong na anak na si Jacob. Hindi ko yun tinatago. Ang anak ko na si Juliana, normal pero maliit pa. So, I encountered several disappointments, failures along the way. But I learned to understand that these trials and failures are a part of success, no, na nakita ko sa ngayon. Kasi nakakita ako ng trabaho, and then along the way there are some people that still trusting me. Binigyan ako ng opportunity to start a small business, and then yun nga, nakapasok ako sa government, no, na wala akong backer or kakilala masyado. Along the way, na-realize ko rin to share some blessings to people para makatulong din sa kanila. And then nagtuturo ako, I share my wisdom and experience to my students. So overall, masasabi ko, ang failure talaga ay isang malaking hamon sa ating lahat. Depende na lang guys kung paano natin tanggapin, paano natin harapin, at paano natin solbahin, no, ng lakas ng loob. Huwag po tayong mawala ng pag-asa, at pinaka-importante sa lahat ay trust God, manalangin po tayo. Because without God, we are nothing. Yun lang po guys, sana po may napulot po kayong aral. Ingat po tayo lagi, and may the Lord, no, bless us all. Please follow me in my Facebook and YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagsuporta sa akin, sa panonood, pakikinig. See you in the next video guys.